Welcome back to Tech for Kids C. Today I'm going to be showing you guys something interesting. So these are traffic cones, as you can see on the screen, and as you can see I'm printing 35 of these individual cones at once. So they're about this size, maybe a little smaller, but I'm printing 35 of them at the same time. The time that's going to take is 17 hours, and the electric extruder is at 200, the platform will be at 50. And the right extruder isn't being used, so that's why it's at 46 degrees. So it's really cool. I'm printing it in Polyalchemy Gold. I will leave the link in the description for Polyalchemy on Amazon. It's like the cheapest place you can buy it. But as you can see, we got the traffic panels printed. They're pretty cool. So they've just finished the base, as you can see. So they've just finished, they've just finished like the base part there. And then it's working on the top part right now. It's gonna take like 17 hours and 4 minutes, I'm pretty sure. As you can see, it's filthy down there. So it's very interesting. It's using the left nozzle. It's printing in 200 degrees. So I'll check in every once in a while, and we'll see how it progresses. So yeah, I will show you how I got all of them into the slicer. I'll do screen recording of that, and then I'll just show you how it progresses. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so I'm just going to show you guys how I made them. So what I did was I just took a single file and duplicated it. So once I had 35, and I laid them out in a nice array. As you can see, they're all touching the platform, so that's good. It's not like super nice, but they're all spread out, so they have space in between them, so they print properly and they don't get stuck together. So I just duplicated it. I made them all with the left extruder, and then I printed them. So they're printing right now. I'll leave the link in the description for this file, since I think it's a pretty cool file. And as you can see, if you look at them from here, they're all the same height. So that's good. So yeah, I will check in a little bit. See you guys. Guys, so I just took a couple photos right here to show you guys what the traffic plans look like. So this is before I went to bed last night. So they look really good. Like, they all turned out really nice. So I'll check back in the morning with you guys. See ya. Alright guys, so they're all done. I'm super excited to take them off the platform, see what they look like, so let's do that. Okay, so it's going to be kind of tricky. They're probably going to all go everywhere. I'm sure there's a better way of doing this. That's actually kind of fun to do. As long as you don't break any of them. Uh-oh, I broke one. Oh no, that's sad. But that's okay, I can always glue it. Alright, just trying to get them off without breaking them. Oh wow, that one just right. Then we'll have to raise the platform to get all of them out. That's a cool noise. There we go, so they're all off the platform now. A couple of them did go on the floor. We'll have to count to make sure we have 35. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to raise the platform. Let's see. Oh, I forgot. It took 17 hours and 4 minutes. So what we're going to do is going to go to utilities. Actually, no, not print. Utilities. Let's go all the way down until you find jog mode. Jog mode. So we want to raise the Z. So you just press the up button to do that. We're going to get all those pounds out of there. So I'll come back once I've done that, since this is a slow process. Alright guys, so I lifted the platform, so let's get all these cones out, and then I'll count them. They all printed super nicely. There's one left in there. Oh, gotta make sure you get all of them out. Well, you can see there's lots of them back in there. got a nice pile of them right there. I think that's all of them. And that is all of them. So I'm going to count them and then I'll be right back. That is so cool. So we got all 35 of them and only one of them didn't print properly. Well, that was my fault when I was taking them off the platform. But all of them printed amazing and they look amazing. I want to see if these will fit on here. I think they're just a little smaller. Uh-oh. Oh, they fit on. They don't fit on perfectly, but they're just a little smaller. That is crazy. That looks so cool, guys. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I will leave the link in the description for this, all these pylons. These is amazing, guys. Whoa. That was amazing. So yeah, thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.